Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. So already we are learning the practical geometry. So now in this session, I am going to construct the questions from exercise number 7.5. The topic name is practical geometry. Exercise number 7.5. So this is the last exercise from practical geometry. Draw the following. The question number 1 is draw the following. Question number 1. The square READ, the square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Okay, children. So, look at it carefully. The square READ with R is how much? 5.1. Let us draw a rough diagram of the square. This is the square R. Okay, shall we take it as RE now? So, we have to maintain the side as the base of the diagram. READ. So R is how much? 5.1. So this is also 5.1 centimeter. This is also 5.1 centimeter. This is also 5.1 centimeter. Because all the sides of our square are equal. So what do we know about the angles? 90 degree. This side also 90 degree. So let us construct the diagram with exact measurements. First one. Take a scale. Draw a line of RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Okay. Let us now take a protractor. Keep down R 90 degree. Keep down E. This is also 90 degree. Then draw two straight lines. So this is 90 degree, and this is also 90 degrees there. Take a compass. Okay. Take a compass. Measurement RE. Correct? So from here, draw first arc. Keep down here, draw the second arc. They don't join them. Yes. Just join both the arcs. So this is your RE A and this is B. The length is 5.1 centimeter. This is also 5.1 centimeter, and this side also 5.1 centimeter. This is 90 degree, and this side also 90 degree. This is our required square. So draw the diagram. Okay, children, shall we go for question number 2? Okay, question number 2 is a rhombus whose. So the square is there. The next diagram. A rhombus whose diagonals are. Question number 2. rhombus whose diagonals are, so what is the length of the diagonals? 5.2 centimeter and 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Okay, so the rough diagram is, so this is our rhombus. So let us consider it as A, B, C and D. And next, so take this length of 5.2 centimeter. Next, 6.4 is there. Half of the 6.4 is how much? 3.2 centimeter. And this side 3.2 centimeter. So only do the half of 6.4. So don't take it 5.1 because of 5, the half of the 5 is 2.5 will come. Means a decimal will get. That's why 6.4 is one of the even number, as well as will get perfect decimal points. Like half of the 6 is 3, half of the 4 is 2. Means 3.2. Let us draw with measurements. First draw one straight line. Okay. The length of the straight line is 5.2 centimeter, correct? It is considered as a BB. Later on, so please see the construction carefully. Keep on this point, take more than half, take more than half. Now, keep on this point, draw an arc above, draw an arc down. So this is called perpendicular bisector. Next from here, 1, 2. Clear children? From D, first arc, second arc. From B, first arc and second arc. Now join with the measurements. Later on, okay, join these 2 points. Clear children? Next, also what is the length of this one? 3.2 is there. So take a compass, take the length of 3.2. First, cut above. The length is 3.2. So put on this point, cut this down. This is 3.2 and this is also 3.2. Now join these points from here to here, from this side to this side, from here to this point, from here to this point. So this is our required rhombus. A, B, this is C and this is D. 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter. So this is our required rhombus. So in the next session, I will solve the remaining 3 questions. Clear children? Okay. So till that, you just construct these 2 and practice them more. Thank you, children. Have a